to my sons and daughters. After 11 days, we are in the social classes today. I know well you have performed in the second midterm examination in the social. So after the 11 days before, we are in the unit 2 of the geography, climate and natural vegetation of India. You may be forgotten or remember, I doesn't know. Anyhow, my duty is to recap the climate and natural vegetation of India. What is climate? I already said what is the other name for climate, weather or winter. What is climate? The normal weather condition of particular region is called climate. Maybe hot in Tamil Nadu, maybe in Madhya Pradesh it may be a warm temperature, or in the Assam it may be a hot temperature. That's a particular region. What on the particular day is called climate. Natural vegetation, also called virgin vegetation. What is natural vegetation? A plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by the humans for a period of time or long time. It's called natural vegetation. That's maybe you are seen in the forest, deciduous forest, many forest, evergreen forest and desert forest, mountain forest. In that areas, the type of trees are being grown there. That's also called vegetation. So that and all the earning for the government resources that grow naturally. It's not been water is not on the by the human. The human never used to cut down, though illegally the humans are cutting down the forest for the resources. That's another side. But most of the human never disturbances that grow naturally. And also there are the type of natural vegetation, forest vegetation, grassland vegetation, and tundra vegetation, and desert vegetation, and ice sheet vegetation. And we come to the next topic of factors controlling the climate of India. I previously said latitude, altitude, distance from sea, and monsoon winds, relief, and jet streams. Latitude, how many latitudes are there? I previously said which is the biggest latitude. What latitude divides India into two halves? Tropic of Cancer. And the latitude means India lies in the latitude of 8 degrees and 4 minutes north. I said already, comma, there will be a comma. Most of them will say, don't think that is inches. 8 degrees, 4 inches north. That is not inches, that is minutes. 8 degrees and 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. And India is divided into two halves by Tropic of Cancer, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere by the meridians. It's been divided into longitude, it's divided into meridians, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Next, altitude. As you have been going through the vehicle or through by mountain area, you are mountaineering in an area, going trekking. As we go up and up, the degrees will be less seen. 65 degrees centigrade temperature will be decreased every 1000 meters. 65 degrees centigrade temperature will be decreased every 1000 meters wherever you move. The coolest place in India itself is being the Aircard is the coolest place in India. Altitude, that is the altitude. Now we move on to the topic of the distance from sea and also the seasons of India. Before going to the distance from the sea, seasons of India. We are having, though the Indian Meteorological Department is making 6 seasons, but in India we are following only 3 seasons: winter season, summer season, rainy season. But abroad, spring season, autumn season, and also maintained in abroad. Though in India also 6 seasons, but the meteorological department is following only 3 seasons: the spring, summer, and monsoon, autumn, and the pre-winter and winter. Winter, pre-winter, autumn, monsoon, summer, and spring season here. Summer is hot season, which ends in the month of the May. Yes, now we move on to the distance from sea. A large area of India, especially the peninsular region. You already know which is the peninsular region. The southern India, south zone, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa and Andhra Pradesh is the peninsular region. It's not already you know what is peninsular. Three sides of water and one side of a land is called peninsula and region. It's not very far from the sea. This area because I already said, though the summer is very hot, but cool breeze will comes at night. Why you know? Because it's the peninsular region is surrounded with three seas, very close to the peninsular region, three seas, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. And you see in the north, it will be very hot because above Tropic of Cancer we can see very hot climatic. Even in the summer they feel hot at night. Why you know? There is no sea in North India. Here from Gujarat, here from in Odisha, Calcutta, above that there will be no seas there in India. Now we move to the topic from the sea and their entire area have a clear maritime influence. What is my maritimes? It's near to the oceans. This peninsular region is near to ocean. Maritime means always connected with seas. It's called maritime and the climate will be like that. This part of the country does not have a very clearly marked winter and temperature is equable almost throughout the year. Though even in the winter, throughout not much winter like North India. Even in summer, it won't be much like North India. Whole India, it's not be. The climate is entirely, it's not equable, it's entirely different. Areas of Central and North India experience much seasonal variation in temperature. I said already, now we are having the northeast monsoon in South India, but in the coastal areas of the Coromandel coast. But the North India, the winter is started. Delhi and all the area is much experiencing winter now. Here it's rainy season. Though the monsoon is not yet started, only partial rain is going on in the northeast monsoon. Because monsoon started means from Mahendragiri to Calcutta, Odisha, Mahendragiri to Calcutta, it will be a monsoon. Cyclones will be formed only in the northeast monsoon, not in the southwest monsoon. When cyclone forms only, we can have the experience of a rain. If we have a low pressure wave means only in Tamil Nadu, so coastal areas, Coromandel coast alone will be experiencing rain, low pressure wave. In Tamil they used to say Kathartha Thalvu Mandalam. Area of central and north India experience much seasonal variation in temperature due to the absence of influence of sea. There will though winter season be cool, but in summer season though won't have the much breeze. Because there is no seas, as South India is having three seas, we are having a cool experience here at night. So due to the available influence of seas, here summers are hot and winters are cold. Even during the winter in South India, you can have little bit hot also. How now you can see, now it's very hot for past 1 week. The monsoon is not yet started. But during the night, it's like winter. Very chilly weather we are seeing for past 10 days. You can even experience in Sriperumbudur. Much the mist is falling from the sky. The annual temperature of Kochi does not exceed 30 degrees centigrade as its location is on the coast, while it is an high of 40 degrees centigrade at Delhi. Why? Because the sea is available near to the Kochi. In Delhi, it's in the middle part of the North India, is no seas. That's why in Kerala 30 degrees centigrade Kochi has location as 40 degrees centigrade at Delhi. Has located the inter part. Delhi is located in the inter part. 40 degrees centigrade, even summer it move on to the 42. And near the coast has moisture and great potential to produce the precipitation. So what is the precipitation? And near the coastal, that means in the coastal area, precipitation means snow, rain, all are falling from the sky. That is called precipitation. Now you can see at night, the precipitation you can feel. A few days before, little bit rain. Now this past 2 days, the mist is falling from the sky. The snow is falling. In North India, snow. Here the mist. So moisture you can see. In the morning you can see in your vehicles and all. The water will be on your vehicles or on plants. That due to the mist precipitation. Due to this fact, the amount of rainfall in Kolkata near the coast is 119 centimeter and decreases in the park 24 centimeter at Bilkenar, because you can see this in the northeast monsoon. 119 centimeter at Calcutta, the inner part Bilkenar, you can inner part only 24 centimeter, because southwest monsoon prevails. The inner part of the Calcutta Bilkenar you can receive more rainfall, which is located at the interior part of the West Bengal. Monsoon wind. Next topic we move on. The most dominant factor which affects the climate of India is the monsoon winds. Southwest monsoon, June 5th to September 23rd, where it hits near the Himalayas on the Assam border, Chiranpunj and Manswaram. Here another northeast monsoon, October, November, nearly going to be end. The monsoon is going to be end. Sometimes it will be extended to December also during the winter season, because the weather has been changed throughout the world. Now you can experience rain where the cloud is formed. Near Tiruvallur may be experienced 10 days before. The Chennai have been experienced 20 centimeters of rain. 32 kilometers only between Sriperumbudur and Chennai. Here not even a severe rain, only drizzle have been going for 4 years. That is been due to the climate change. Some may be blaming the industries in the Sriperumbudur. The chemical change the rain clouds, separate the rain clouds. No, not like that. And the most dominant factor which affect the climate of India, the monsoon wind, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. These are seasonal reversal winds. What do you mean by seasonal reverse winds? As the southwest monsoon ends on September 23rd at Assam, nearly 200 to 300 centimeters will be going on at September. And that wind, southwest monsoon wind, take a reverse direction. It changes a northeast monsoon, right from Mahendragiri in Odisha to up to Kanyakumari in the south. This Coromandel coast, this eastern Ghats will experience more rain we have seen in the past. But some years back, 17 cyclones that were formed. Now not even a single cyclone. Only low pressure bay or Surechi Mandalam, due to the hot, the rain will be going on. Some days before you have been seen, the day will be hot, at night it will be raining. Because of the Surechi, Nerkadithu Surechi Mandalam. In Tamil they used to say, due to the hot climate. And here we move on. Use this fact, the at of 119 centimeter and decreases to 24 centimeter at Bilkenar, which is located at the interior part. Monsoon winds, I said here, the influence of the winds for a considerable part of the year. Though the sun rays are vertical over the central part of India during the month of June, because that is the monsoon season in June. The summer ends at the May. It is because of the onset of southwest monsoon. May last week it hit Andaman Nicobar Island form, and it hit the Kerala coast with erratic thunder showers on June 5th. Due to the temperature of the entire India up to Assam on the western coastal plains, western Ghats, it will be raining each and every month. Before previous classes I said, next Karnataka, Maharashtra, next to Punjab, Delhi, and another to the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, again to Assam. It ends on September. And to heavy rainfall in many parts, even 36 centimeter in Mumbai a day or 26 centimeter of rain in Mumbai of the country. Similarly, the climate of south, especially the Assam, experience in the southwest monsoon nearly 1000 centimeter of rain. That is the wettest place in the world. Assam, Chiranpunch and Manswaram in Meghalaya near Assam, and the southwest of east is also influenced by the northeast monsoon, October, November. Even we can add December. We move on to the relief. Timer? 16 minutes. Continue. Relief. Relief of India has a great bearing on the major elements of the climate, such as temperature, especially the winds. The Central Asian winds in the side of the Bangladesh, Tibet, Nepal, it go on. That's why we say Himalayas is a great wall of India. Why? Because if there is no Himalayas, many trees and the houses and all the things will be uprooted in the northeast part of the India. That is the barrier. The Himalayas is the barrier, the wind which blowing from the Central Asia, they used to also call Tibetan winds. Even the rainfall on the side of the Himalayas. Not only that, Himalayas, not only for that Central Asian winds blowing through via Tibet, it's a wall like protecting India. Not only that, that is a proverb in the 10,000 years of India-China relationship. Now there may be problem in Ladakh, but before 10,000 years, not even a single soldier crossed India, either India nor the China enter into the Indian border or China's border. The Himalayas is a barrier invading the foreign invasions. It's not easy to cross over the Himalayas. It also protects that, not only the winds, Central Asian winds, even the protecting from the invasions. Next we move on. Barrel of freezing cold wind blows from the Central Asia and keep Indian subcontinent warm. As such as in North India experience tropical climate. Tropical climate means hot climate. Even during the winter, sometimes there will be heavier. ஏன்னா தமிழில் ஒன்று சொல்லுவாங்க, பனி எந்த அளவுக்கு பெய்யுதோ அந்த அளவுக்கு வெய்ய கடுமையாக காயுமா பகலில். During the southwest monsoon, areas of the western slope of the western Ghat, western side, not eastern side won't get rain. Only the northeast monsoon. The eastern parts of the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh will get rain. Even the Coimbatore and the Kanyakumari will get much small quantity of rainfall only, minimum rainfall only. The Kanyakumari and Coimbatore and all, they experience more rain we can accept on the southwest monsoon. And the rainfall on the contrary vast areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lie in the rain shadow of the leeward side. Leeward side means one side of the mountain will get rain, other side will be very hot. Where the shadow is there will be no rain. In the one side where the sun is and located on the coast, gets the rainfall of about 280 centimeters, whereas the Bengaluru, located on the leeward side, receives only the 50 centimeters. That is on the other side, not on the leeward side, other side, leeward side. Rain shadow place is called leeward side. Thank you very much. In the next session, I will be starting with the jet stream. I won't revise on the first jet stream. What is by jet stream? The arriving the monsoon and departuring the monsoon. It may be a southwest monsoon or northeast monsoon. Arrival of the monsoon and departure of the monsoon is called jet streams. We start from that on Friday. Thank you very much. I'll be giving homework from the history. Thank you.